BN Products has a new line of concrete stake tools that will increase productivity while improving safety. Meet the stake puller, stake holder, and stake striker. Each are designed for a different task, but collectively, they will save you money by speeding up the process of inserting and removing stakes. We have two stake pullers, one for 3/4 inch round stakes and one for 7/8 inch round stakes. Our safety stake holder works with both 3/4 inch and 7/8 inch round stakes. This tool can pick up stakes off the ground and also hold in place while being pounded into the ground. Our stake striker protects the head of the stake from mushrooming while also transferring kinetic energy, reducing the number of strikes to get the stake in place. This also protects workers as their hands are out of the way of a mallet or sledgehammer. This is the traditional method of removing stakes. We think you'll agree, our new stake tools will make this task much easier. Well, that's a look at the new line of stake tools by BN Products USA. If you have any questions at all, please visit our website at bnproducts.com.